What's up, Slayers? Today we're going to be unboxing Savior Valkrie. Finally, been waiting forever to get this bag, and it's finally here. And I forgot that it comes with a launcher. Totally forgot, so I'm like super hype about that. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get this open. See the back there? Pretty cool. Pretty decent sized box. Remember folks, knives are sharp. I've cut myself on accident plenty of times. If I could find that. Perfect. Then go there. Alright. Got the Valkrie stickers. Nice. And here we go, guys. Alright. They always do an excessive job at taping this stuff all together. And it's just so much tape. So much plastic. Alright, there's the box. Get that out of there. Okay. Okay. Get everything out. Nice. Beautiful colors. I love blue and gold. Nice. Perfect colors for Valkrie, in my opinion. Amazing. Now, this V-Gear. I'm not sure if I'm naming this correctly. I think it's V-Gear. I'm like 90% sure. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Put down in the comments below if I'm correct or not. And the star of the show, Savior Valkrie, with the let's see, what is this? I think it's 3. No, it's 7. 7 armor. Silly me. I'm glad I didn't tell you guys it's 3. But it's 7 armor, and it's pretty dope. Let's see. That looks amazing. What's the teeth? Not very strong. And finally, the shot driver. This funky thick thing here. Pretty amazing, guys. Alright, let's put that together. And there we go. we have Savior Valkrie 7-shot. It looks amazing with the V-gear and the launcher. The stickers here. I will be putting the stickers on later on. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Stick around for more videos. I will be doing dedicated battles here soon. So, that'll be all for this video, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.